Hello everyone, today you're going to be joining me in an ASMR type video. We're going to be washing my 2022 CRF250R. It's a nice rainy, cold day today, and I decided it was a perfect time to wash my bike. Watching this back right now, I could tell I went a little bit light on the foam. I need to add some more next time. It definitely needs to be a thicker foam, and the spray cannon that I'm using is capable of that. I just started running out of soap in this little bottle that I have, and I didn't want to refill it before shooting this video. So you're gonna, have just a little bit of foam going here. I just want to take a second and appreciate this lighting right now. I mean, could this not be just a better frame and light with the flare coming in? Bike's got a little bit of soap on it. Kind of turned out perfect. Right now I'm adding a little bit of Meguiar's Gold Wash soap to a bucket that's got some water in it. And then I'm going to bring over the pressure washer and shoot that pressurized water into the bucket to create my soap. Another kind of epic shot right here with the spray mist getting backlit by the sunset we got going on here. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking a soft bristle brush, I'm dipping it inside of my soap bucket there, and I'm kind of getting all the areas that get some dirt built up on this bike, mainly kind of by the sprocket coming off the transmission, because it just flings a lot of dirt and oil from your chain wax up in that area. So that's kind of where my focus is right now. But yeah, using this soft bristle brush is definitely a good idea if you haven't been incorporating that in your motorcycle wash cycle. It just kind of really helps. It's easier than sticking your fingers in there and getting with your mitt and whatnot. And you don't want too soft of a brush because then it becomes hard to dislodge any dirt or sand or whatever. But you don't want something too hard that's going to, scratch your motorcycle. Watching this back right now, I just love admiring how beautiful of a motorcycle this is. It's kind of one of the reasons I ended up going with the Honda, is because it kind of is one of the sexiest motorcycles being sold right now, in my opinion. I think probably the only better looking motorcycle is the Stark Varg, and that's just because it has such good lines and it's very simplistic and just an amazing looking motorcycle. But in terms of gas powered motorcycles, I would say this is up there. This is definitely up there in the top 3. We are now on to the final rinse. And then after this, we're going to dry it with a Milwaukee dual battery blower to get all that residual water off the little nooks and crannies of the bike. A lot easier than using a microfiber or waiting for it to air dry, especially around the radiator. If you're spraying in there, the radiator fins, you can blow that out with the air. Make sure there's not standing water sitting inside of those radiator fins. Okay, I think I got everything. So now we're gonna start drying her. All right, so I've got my trusty dual battery Milwaukee M18 blower. We're gonna just blow the residual water off first, and then we'll dry it with a microfiber. Oops. help if I put the batteries in all the way. What the heck? What happened? Here we go. Okay, it's like, probably about 80% dry now. So I'm going to grab some spray wax and my microfiber and finish it up. I was able to bring the camera outside as it's finally stopped drizzling for a little bit. So we're using some Lucas Slick Mist spray wax, Costco microfiber towels, which amazingly now come with no tags on them, which is so cool. So we're just going to get a little spray down. And we're going to dry it off. I really like using the air blower because it's really gets a lot of that kind of residual water that sits in places and drips on you forever. Gets it quickly. I use the Milwaukee on all my cars when I'm washing them. Just makes it so much faster to dry, especially if your vehicles are ceramic coated. The water just shoots off with the air dryer. Hope it's starting to sprinkle again. Need to get that bike back inside. Okay, it's really starting to rain again. We're gonna bring the camera inside and the Honda. Well, it's the first time it's hailed since we've been getting all this rain in Southern California. Nice. Okay, we are going to reinstall the skid plate we took off yesterday while doing an oil change. There we go. All right. Thanks for tuning into my latest video. I hope you enjoyed watching me wash this 2022 CRF250R. Being that it's a fairly new bike, it's still very easy to get this thing almost spotless. You know, there's like no dirt anywhere. You see I use kind of a little detailing brush in certain areas to agitate some of the kind of built up dirt that is from, you know, oil and whatnot. But yeah, this thing, as of right now, cleans up really well and can look like a brand new bike again. It was fun. Started to rain on me, but you know, it's all in the name of the game. Glad we got it washed. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to take it for a little rip again. I think it's going to be raining for a good chunk of the day, but we might get a couple hours of sunshine where I'm going to take it back to that local track I have and have some fun with it. It's been raining the last couple days, so I haven't been able to ride this thing, and I've been itching to get out and ride again. And I think it'll be tomorrow or definitely on Friday. So if not Thursday, definitely going to be Friday. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in another video.